In this video, we will be looking at PC shutdown function when using our UPS products with SANUPS software. The shutdown function for SANUPS software allows the connected computer to automatically shut down in the event of power outages and other power malfunctions. The shutdown function supports for multiple platform and allow to shut down up to 50 machines. By using the SANUPS software, the shutdown parameter setting can be done easily. When connecting one or multiple computers' power supply to our UPS product, we can use SANUPS software to automatically shut down the computers when there is a problem with the incoming power supply. Here are the items that you need: SANUPS software installer, Sanyo Denki Uninterruptable power supply unit, computers, cables for serial connection, and LAN cables and router for LAN connection. First, installed SANUPS software to all computer that will be connected to UPS. Change the IP address and disable the firewall to enable connection between computers. For the cable connection, first, connect computer's power supply cable to UPS power output and connect the incoming power supply to UPS power input. Then connect the serial connection cable from UPS to first computer, and use LAN cables and router to connect first computer with the rest of the computer. For serial connection, you can use USB cable, or provided serial communication cable. When using USB cable, use USB Type A to Type B cable, and connect to PC interface USB port. Install the required USB driver, and change UPS PC interface connector setting from RS232C to USB. If using serial communication cable, connected to PC interface RS232C port at the back of UPS. Depending on your computer side, you might require serial USB converter for the connection. For UPS PC interface connector setting, make sure it is default value, which is RS232C. Once connection done and all computers are turned on, open SANUPS software from the computer that connected with UPS through serial connection. Click Next to continue. Select Serial Communication Connection to UPS and click Next. To be able to connect with other computers, select Use the network environment and click Next. Check the serial port number and click Next. Enter administrator account name and password, and click OK. Check the IP address, make sure it is same with computer IP address, then click Next. Enter PC information such as location and comment. Then click Next. Click Next to skip control time setting. Later we can modify it from setting page. Check the information, and click Execute. Now, PC1 already connected with UPS, and we can monitor UPS status from here. To add second computer, click Add button. Select PC, Network Connection, and click Next. Select PC1 IP address for UPS information, and enter PC2 IP address for computer information. Then click Next. Click Next to skip the setting. Enter computer information, then click Next. Check entered information, and click Execute. Now, you can see here two computers are connected. You can keep add if you have multiple computers connected. In shutdown sequence, there are few time setting that need to be considered. The first one is the power failure confirmation time. During power failure, when the power is recovered within this time setting, UPS will continue to operate normally. Or else, it will start to count for shutdown delaying time. During this period, customer can assign user commands, such as saving the document or moving the machines to safe position, before shutdown command is executed. Shutdown is executed, and UPS will automatically stops after UPS automatic stopping time complete. We can also set shutdown waiting time individually for each computer. Make sure the time setting is sufficient for the computers to safely shut down before UPS power supply output is cut off. Open the setting window to modify shutdown parameter setting. Click Basic Settings and Control Time Information to modify Power Failure Confirmation Time under Shutdown Trigger tab. Click Common Information tab to modify Shutdown Delaying Time and UPS Automatic Stopping Time. Click Update after modified the setting value. To modify PC shutdown wait time for individual computer, click Computer tab and select Computer IP address. Click UPS monitoring interval and modify shutdown wait time setting value. Make sure to click Update to update the modified parameter setting value. Select different computer IP address to modify shutdown wait time if necessary.